Welcome back. Today, we're making soft and fluffy homemade burger buns from scratch. Let's start by activating the yeast. In a bowl, combine the warm milk with the sugar and yeast. Give it a gentle stir and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes frothy. Once the yeast is active, we can start adding the flour. Gradually mix in the flour until a shaggy dough begins to form. Then, it's time to add the salt and the soft butter. This is when the real kneading begins. We'll knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth, elastic, and pulls away from the sides of the bowl. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently punch the air out of the dough. Transfer it to a lightly floured surface and divide it into equal pieces, each weighing about 110 grams. Now, shape each piece into a smooth, tight ball by rolling it in a circular motion on the counter. Place the shaped buns on a parchment-lined baking tray, leaving enough space between them for expansion. Cover the buns and let them rise again for about 30 to 45 minutes, until they look nice and puffy. Just before baking, gently brush the tops of the buns with a beaten egg wash. This will give them that beautiful golden brown and shiny finish. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, until they are golden brown and sound hollow when tapped on the bottom. And there you have it, perfect, homemade burger buns. Let them cool completely before slicing.